I have a little home decor inspiration for you today. Just a few items that I think are timeless and elegant and could work in any home. Welcome to Artsy Cupcake. My name's Maria, and I share tips on the art of life, home, health, and style. I do fashion lookbooks, helpful reviews, home decorating, and recipe videos. So if you like those types of things, please make sure to subscribe. This is a tag video from Really Good Living. She's done these types of videos before, and it's an open tag, so anybody that wants to join in should, because we all want to see what items you have in your home that you consider to be elegant and timeless. Watching these types of videos gives me ideas on what kind of items I might need to add to my home decor collection, and hopefully you'll get that kind of inspiration from my quick little video today. The first type of item that I think is timeless and elegant is porcelain decor, specifically white porcelain. I have these two birds that are antiques, and they were my grandmother's. They're probably from the 1940s or 1950s. The fact that they've been around so long really shows that this style transfers from generation to generation. My grandma loved birds, and so do I, so I love having these in my office because they remind me of her. I also have this little white porcelain vase here with the succulent in it. I got this at Target about a year ago. Then on the other side of the bookshelf, I have another white bird that's from Hobby Lobby, and it's also a white porcelain. White porcelain, whether in decor pieces like these or dishes, they are always classic and elegant, and they'll work over the years no matter what kind of color scheme you have or home changes that you go through. They'll always match your home. The next item I want to mention is timeless and elegant, and it's a tray for the dining room table. If you have a nice neutral tray, it can transition from fall to Christmas without a problem. You probably recognize this little tray because I've used it in all my tablescape videos, and it helps to hold any decor pieces right where they should be so they don't go rolling all over the dinner table. The fact that I have coordinating chargers under the plates really helps to tie in the whole look together, and it can be reused over and over again for each season. So the tray and the matching chargers are a great way to add some timeless elegance to your home. These bronze sconces can work throughout the seasons as well. Neutral candle holders, whether they're white or gray, brown or bronze, whatever neutral color goes best with your home decor, these candle holders can be switched up throughout the home. So I could take these bronze ones on the dining room and switch them out with the wooden ones that I have on my fireplace mantle. This would just change up the look a bit and just kind of mix it up. So having a few sets of neutral candle holders gives you some flexibility, and they'll always match whatever you have going on with the rest of your decor. Lastly, I want to mention coffee table decor that's timeless and elegant. I think having a few large coffee table books is a great idea because they can act as a stand like I've done here. They're great for stacking, and you could place a large box on top, or even a small item like this clock would work. The coffee table books are really elegant, versatile, and they act as a nice solid base to other decor items. You may have some really good ones in your home already. Check underneath your paper book jackets, and you may find a really nice neutral linen cover like these have. So there were a few of the items that I think have timeless elegance in the home. I hope I gave you a couple of good decorating ideas, and I would love to know in the comment section below what you consider to be a home decor item that has timeless elegance. Please consider subscribing because I put 2 new videos up every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.